I'll make siomai.
How to make a siomai, ma'am?
How to make first, you get laman.
Ang baboy.
From IV. Ulam, right?
Is that asado? Am I right?
Yes, courtesy of IV.
Oh, leftovers.
You will put some carrots.
Yes. What a masterpiece.
Then, like that.
And then the exciting part.
Wait.
Oh, I can't wait for the most exciting part, Mademoiselle. What's that? The molo wrapper?
Yeah. There.
Yes.
Very good.
There are many molo wrappers, huh?
Yeah, four. Then,
Ooh, look at that art. Ooh, there are now 3 of them.
now,
The siomai is going to take a shower.
yes. Then steam it. Then ready to
I
eat.
thought deep fried. Ready to eat? Can you demonstrate the eating?
IV. No, babe.
Ivy, come on.
I'm not hungry. He's the stick. Pat dog.
What do you call that? Hot dog. No pouchin. Faster. Okay, this is the name of our chef for today.
Ang ganda naman niya.
Grabe naman siomai yan. Aray ko! Dali! Wait! Inside! Why did you stop? Aray! Ouch!
Fresh from the mouth.
Kinatapos yung dolo. Ipasok mo! Aray! Ipasok mo nga! Ay, naku, kung ako yan, pasok na yan.
Sige. Oh my God!
Yes! Let me see the out. Yes. Dog! Hot dog!
Dog. Fat cat.
Hot dog!
Fat cat.
Say goodbye! Goodbye mga gago!